Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best cement mixers that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the CalCUL cement mixer, which is our budget-friendly option priced at just $42.99. Now, if you're looking for a basic no-frills cement mixer that gets the job done, this is the one for you. It's powered by a 2100W copper motor, providing speeds between 350 and 930 RPM. This wide range makes it suitable for a variety of materials like paint, mortar, and even fodder. The design is lightweight yet sturdy, with a dual steering wheel handle that offers a comfortable grip and reduces vibrations during use. The overheating protection system ensures safety and prolongs the life of the mixer, which is a thoughtful touch at this price point. However, you may notice that the build quality feels less premium compared to higher-priced options, with more focus on functionality than aesthetics. Overall, the CalCUL cement mixer is ideal for DIY enthusiasts or anyone working on small-scale projects. While it lacks some of the advanced features of its competitors, its affordability makes it a worthwhile pick for budget-conscious buyers. Pros include its lightweight design and affordability, but the cons are its lower power output and less durable materials. Coming in at number 4, we have the Vista cement mixer, priced at $49.99. This mixer offers a solid balance of performance and affordability. With a 2300WH motor and 6 adjustable speeds, it provides plenty of power for mixing a variety of materials, including cement, mortar, and plaster. The self-locking switch and spiral double paddles ensure consistent and thorough mixing while preventing splashes. The build quality is decent, featuring a nylon motor housing and a carbon steel mixing rod that enhance durability. It also includes overheating protection to safeguard the motor during long mixing sessions. However, with only 29 customer ratings, it's still building its reputation in the market. The ergonomic design with dual handles makes it comfortable to operate even for extended periods. This mixer is best suited for small to medium construction jobs or home improvement projects. While it doesn't boast premium features, it performs well for its price range. Pros include its powerful motor and well-designed paddles, while the cons are its less established reputation and slightly heavier feel compared to other models. At number 3, we have the CalCUL cement mixer, another great option in the $49.99 price range. This mixer is equipped with a 2300-watt copper motor, delivering efficient and stable performance across a wide range of materials like mud, cement, and paint. The 6 adjustable speed settings allow you to customize the mixing speed for different tasks, making it highly versatile. The design features a high-efficiency ventilation system, which, along with overheating protection, ensures safe operation and extends the lifespan of the machine. It's built with anti-impact and rust-proof materials, ensuring it can handle tough job site conditions. The ergonomic dual handles and self-locking switch enhance user comfort and reduce fatigue during prolonged use. The CalCUL cement mixer is a reliable choice for both DIYers and professionals tackling medium-sized projects. It strikes a good balance between power and durability at a reasonable price. Pros include its robust motor and user-friendly design, while cons are its slightly bulkier build and limited additional accessories compared to premium options. Taking the second spot is the IMACCC cement mixer, a powerful and well-rounded option priced at $56.99. This mixer is equipped with a 2100W motor that delivers speeds between 270 and 900 RPM, making it highly versatile for mixing everything from thin-set mortar to paint and plaster. The screw-shaped dual paddles ensure thorough mixing, saving time and minimizing splashes. One standout feature is the overheating protection with a porous heat dissipation design, which ensures that the motor stays cool even during extended use. The ergonomic dual handles and operation locking switch make it easy to operate, while the all-copper carbon brush holder simplifies maintenance. This model also comes with useful accessories like spare carbon brushes and wrenches. The IMACCC cement mixer is perfect for professionals and serious DIYers who need a reliable and efficient tool for a variety of mixing tasks. Its pros include excellent build quality, overheating protection, and a powerful motor, while its cons are the slightly higher price and heavier weight compared to budget options. Finally, at the top of our list is the GLALIFE concrete cement electric mixer, priced at $63.99. This premium option delivers outstanding performance with its powerful 2400W copper motor, offering speeds between 350 and 950 RPM. The 6-speed adjustable settings, combined with spiral double paddles, ensure efficient and thorough mixing for a variety of materials, including cement, mortar, and even food-grade substances. The build quality is top-notch, featuring a durable nylon motor shell and a carbon steel mixing bar. It also comes with 4 extra carbon brushes, gloves, and wrenches, making it a complete package right out of the box. The ergonomic double handles and locking switch enhance user comfort, reducing fatigue during long mixing sessions. Cleaning the stainless steel components is a breeze, adding to its overall convenience. The GLALIFE cement mixer is perfect for professionals and heavy-duty users who demand the best in performance and durability. Its pros include a robust motor, durable construction, and a comprehensive accessory set, while its only con is the higher price. However, if you need the best of the best, this mixer is worth the investment. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.